Today's video is about the tricks of hiding folders of files using command line prompt. To receive more video on technology tricks and tips, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Then let's get started. Welcome to the channel. Would you like to learn and download via my YouTube channel? When you open the channel, navigate to the playlist, then select the playlist you like, whether it is technology, natural health, motivation, and opportunities. To receive notification of every video I upload, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button. To be able to hide files or folder using command line prompt, first, you need to have the specific file or folder you need to hide. Second, know the specific disk where your files and folders stored. Once you know all of those things, then follow the following steps. The first step, open command line prompt by pressing Window key plus R. Then navigate to the folder where your files or folder are stored by typing the name of the disk with the colon sign. To hide folder using command line prompt, you need to type attrib, then space, then plus h, then space, then plus s, then space, then plus r, then write the name of the folder, then press enter. You can verify that the file is hidden by checking on the disk where your folders was stored. Now, to unhide the folder using command line prompt, first you need to type the following command on the command line prompt. Type attrib, then space, then minus h, then space, minus s, then space, minus r, then write the name of the folder, then press enter. When you press enter, now your folder will be unhidden. You can navigate, you can verify that the folder is there by going direct to the place where you stored your folder. So this is the trick or tip of hiding and unhiding folders. The second method is hiding or unhiding files. We have finished hiding and hiding folder. Now let's focus on hiding and unhiding files. To hide file, as usual, make sure you navigate to the disk where the file is stored. How do you navigate? You navigate by pressing the name of the disk with colon sign. Then write the following command. You write attrib, then space, plus h, then space, plus s, then space, plus r, then write the name of the file. Suppose if your file is maybe mbonimpi.txt, you need to write in a full name mbonimpi.txt. So then press enter. Once you press enter, now your file will be hidden. You can verify that the file is hidden by going to the disk where your file was stored, then you find the file is not there. Then to unhide the file so that you can see it again, then you must write the following command. You write attrib, then space, minus h, then space, minus s, then space, minus r, then write the name of the file, that's mbonimpi.txt. Once you finish writing the name, press enter. You can also verify that your file is there. So this is the tricks of hiding and unhiding files using command line prompt. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button.